Brazilian blind characid. In the caves of Minas Gerais, Brazil, lives the Brazilian blind characid, a species of cave-adapted fish, which has evolved to no longer need eyes or pigmentation. Like other species of tetra, they are small fish, measuring up to 1.8, and live a relatively solitary life in their cave ponds. In the wild, they are becoming rarer, due in large part to a reduction in the local water table, which has resulted in the drying up of numerous ponds and streams. Despite their decline in the wild, they are sometimes kept in aquariums as pets, where they are prized for their unique features. An olm is a species of aquatic salamander, which is the sole cave-dwelling chordate in Europe. It is entirely aquatic, which is unusual for any amphibian, and it is found solely in caves in the Dinarcep Alps, where it spends its life eating, sleeping, and breeding underwater. Their fleshy skin color has earned them the nickname of human fish by the locals, and it has a rich history dating back hundreds of years. The first examples were identified in 1689, where the locals found them washed up after heavy rains. They were believed to be the offspring of a cave dragon, but sadly they are mere salamanders and cannot breathe fire. Southern cave crayfish. There are several aspects of the southern cave crayfish, which make it an interesting specimen for study. One of the most important details about this critter is that it is a centenarian species, which means it can live in excess of 100 years. Mexican tetra. The Mexican tetra is a species of characin found in the freshwaters of the Rio Grande, the Nueces and Pecos rivers in Texas, as well as various bodies of water in the central and eastern parts of Mexico. The fish grow to an impressive 4.7, which is fairly large for a tetra and has no pigmentation or eyes of any kind. Like the Brazilian blind cavefish, the Mexican tetra is popular among aquarists, where it is often kept in cave-style tanks requiring minimal illumination. Texas blind salamander. The Texas blind salamander is an incredibly rare species of troglobite amphibian found only in San Marcos, Texas, where it can be found in the San Marcos pool of the Edwards Aquifer. They can reach lengths of up to 5, and their diet enables them to subsist on whatever happens to flow into its dark environment. This can include a species of blind shrimp, snails, small fish, and anything else they come across. The species was first identified in 1895 when they were extracted from a newly constructed well, which drew water from a depth of 58 meters below the surface. Since that time they have been studied from 7 known locations in and around San Marcos. Blind legless lizard. A new species of legless lizard was discovered in 2011, and as the name suggests, it's completely blind. These interesting animals have some of the characteristics of snakes but fall under the Dibamidae family of blind skinks. Though they look similar, they have external ears, and depending on the gender they may have small protuberances where legs would normally be located. The new species was discovered in Cambodia and marks the first time an animal of its kind was located in the Southeast Asian nation. Kauai cave wolf spider. The Kauai cave wolf spider is a blind spider found in only a few caves located in the Koloa, Piipu region of Kauai, Hawaiian Islands, where only 6 populations have been observed. They are relatively small for wolf spiders, and only reach a body length of around 0.8. Their above-ground cousins have large eyes, but the Kauai cave wolf spider has evolved to no longer need them. It has no eyes whatsoever. Wide-mouth blind cat. The wide-mouth blind cat is a species of catfish found in Texas, and the only member of the genus Satan. The species was first identified in a dark well, indicating it evolved to live in a lightless, subterranean environment. It is currently found in only 5 artesian wells in and around San Antonio, Texas. They lack pigmentation and, as their name implies, they have no visible eyes on the outside of their bodies. Blind albino cave crab. The blind albino cave crab is a species of squat lobster found only in the caves of Jamios del Agua in Lanzarote, Canary Islands. They are small, pale in color, and completely blind. They live exclusively in lava tubes. Kentucky cave shrimp. The Kentucky cave shrimp is a freshwater species of troglobite shrimp found in the caves of Barron, Edmonson, Hart, and Warren counties, Kentucky. The species has evolved without eyes of any kind, and its shell lacks pigment, making it almost entirely transparent. They live exclusively in underground streams found in caves and can be found mostly in Mammoth Cave National Park. They survive in the low-energy environment off of the sediment that washes into the cave via the movement of groundwater. Within the sediment they find a rich bounty of protozoans, fungi, algal cells, and other organic materials.